Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Finally, select Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!